Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am sharing the reasons why you shouldn't buy the Honor 5C smartphone. Huawei Honor launched the Honor 5C in India and I am using this phone for a quite long time, and based on my uses I am sharing the reasons why you shouldn't buy the smartphone. These reasons are based on the actual uses. And to get started, I am sharing the first one with the weight. The weight of the phone is 156 gram, and when you hold the smartphone in your hand, you can easily feel that it's a heavy phone, and you wouldn't want to use such a heavy phone when you are paying such a price. The other smartphone offers a less weight and you can go for them. The second one, the biggest letdown of this smartphone is the display side. It features 5.2-inch full HD display and which has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and if you are working outdoor or watch movies most of the time, then this is not the phone you are looking for. And the sunlight eligibility is not good on this smartphone, and to say further, it doesn't come with any protection like the Corning Gorilla Glass or the Dragon Tail, and which means it has the sketches when you put in your pocket or it slips out from your hand. Apart from this, there are fingerprint smudges when you use the smartphone. That means you have to clean it every time after using the smartphone. The other part is the memory front. It has 16 GB inbuilt memory, and out of which only 12 GB is available. The other, like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3, has 32 GB inbuilt memory considering the price point, and although you can expand the memory further up to 128 GB, but that's of no use. Clearly, when it comes to a memory front, many of them are looking for the inbuilt memory. If you are a game fanatic or like to play high graphics game on your smartphone, then this is not the phone you are looking for, as when I have played Asphalt number of times and the phone heats up. It's really a bad thing when it comes to the heating part, and you can easily feel the amount of heating when you play high-end graphics games. So on the gaming front or on the display side, this is not the phone you are looking for. Going further in detail, when you switch between number of apps or play high-end graphics game, the phone struggled a bit and you can easily see the lag. And to edit further, even the phone heats up when you use the GPS on this smartphone. That's the rare thing which you found in smartphone, and that too the heating related problem with the Honor 5C. When you click images with this smartphone, you can easily found that the low light images or the images doesn't have the detail, although it has 13 megapixel rear camera, and there are lots of colors when it comes to the images on which you click on this smartphone. In the end, all I can say, overall the camera didn't signify anything, and when you choose the smartphone in the same price point, they offer a greater value for money. Although the Honor 5C runs on the latest Android 6.0 with Emotion UI 4.1 on top of it, and it doesn't offer too much customizations features likes the MIUI or the CyanogenOS offer high amount of customization and control, and this is where another big letdown for the Huawei Honor 5C. Talking about the battery, it packs 3000 mAh non-removable battery, and when you use the smartphone, you want like that. The reason is that the battery doesn't last for a whole day uses, and it is not at par with the likes of the Lenovo Zoom Z1 or the Redmi Note 3, and another letdown of this smartphone. Though till now, when it comes to the display side, the heating problem, or the processor side, or the memory front, and the camera part and the battery part, this is not the phone you are looking for, as there are nothing better when you opt this smartphone. And there are likes the La One S Eco, that's the La 2, and while paying just 1000 more, you can get the content ecosystem, which is really a good thing when it comes to the smartphone. And if you are fond of watching the TV shows or the videos, then the La Eco smartphones are much better when compared to the Huawei Honor 5C. And then all I can say that there are other options in this price range, which comes with 3 GB of RAM, although it has 2 GB of RAM, which is the another letdown, and it doesn't offer any wow factor. And as a buyer, you can go for the other smartphone like the Lenovo Zoom Z1, La Eco 1S, or the La 1S, Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. And if you have any query, do comment us in the comment section. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.